the basic idea of Trade Unafraid is that it's kind of like a self-driving car. You set up a trade plan. It has seatbelts and airbags, so it can protect you from disaster, and it will very quickly react faster than a human can, and can take profits quickly, can detect when the market is reversing against you and protect a winner so that it doesn't become a loser. In the interest of time, I'm going to skip to where the first trade plan gets filled. We have other videos where you can see more about how to create a trade plan. All right, and the candle breaks. So we are now in. We have a quantity of 5. He's changing the 500 to 300 on the AMD trade plan. Okay, so Apple is in. He got filled at exactly $1, and there's the unrealized P&L, the unrealized profit and loss. This is realized profit and loss. So you can see that the software automatically put some profit targets out there. So these are actual orders, and one of them just got filled. So he sold 2 and has locked in a $14 profit. I think he just sold another 2. So now he's locked in $44, and AMD just got filled. So AMD got filled for 2 contracts at 146. Over here, you can see things that are happening. So it showed the breach of the candle high. This GTR stands for green to red. And so it's looking for, has something gone your way, green, and then gone against you quickly, red. So that's one way that we exit on your behalf to prevent you from having big losses. So you can see now that he's actually canceled all of his targets because I think he likes the look of these trades. So rather than take smaller profits, he's actually letting the other exit strategies run and letting the positions go. So basically now he probably has, he has green to red candle and he has candle trails. So he's looking at a 1-minute candle to see if the previous 1-minute candle's low gets broken, and that's going to be an exit, that he'll flatten the position at that point. But right now he's still got 1 Apple contract and 2 AMD contracts, and they're both in the green. So he's just letting them run. So one thing to keep in mind while we watch this is 2 trades that would have been very difficult to do by hand, and they reacted at the speed of software, not of human reflexes. So he got in right as the candle broke with his 5-cent barrier. So 2 decent trades here. He's locked in $44 on Apple, and he's got over $50 profit unrealized right now in the 2 positions. You'll also notice that there are manual overrides here. So he could flatten, he could close anything, and whatever orders are out there. Okay, so AMD actually just got stopped out. So the low of the prior candle was breached. So that candle trail got him out, and he made a $30 profit in total. So again, I was saying he could flatten, he could place a market or a limit order. He could just use this close button, and he can put whatever quantity he wants in here. He can also close percentages. And we have these hard-coded right now, 10, 25, 50, and 75%, but we can, we're planning on making that more flexible. And like I said, this user interface is a little behind where we are today. So he's just sitting and waiting for this one trailing contract to get out. He doesn't have a target, so he's just waiting for it to, drop below the previous candle trail. So we'll just jump ahead. Right here, he decides that he wants to set a break price. So he's adding a tactic. He's adding break price, and he puts in 129.90. So now, in addition to the other exits he could possibly get out with, he's saying if the price drops below 129.90, then he's going to exit. And the price right now is, just a little over 130. It's now up 48. And there you go. So he ended up with $86. Here are the actual trades, and you can see, here I'm going to pause it. You can see, so here's Apple. He bought 5 at $1 because of the candle break. And then we have an exit tactic called ratchet brackets, which actually puts out targets and also raises the stop. With each time a target's hit, it raises the stop, trying to preserve your profit and still let your winners run. And those get put out instantly. So I've had trades where you you actually get in and get out before you could have possibly reacted manually, and what could have been a loss, you capture those profits because those targets get put out there instantly. So 2 ratchet brackets got hit at 107 and 115. And then the final one was a green to red candle. That's actually what got him out. So it wasn't the 29.90. It was not the 129.90 break that got him out. It was actually a candle that reversed. So likely he got out before it hit 129.90. And that's one of the uh, part of the power of these exit tactics is that they try and get you out as soon as things start moving against you. And then with the 2 AMDs, he got in on that candle break, and then he got out on the candle trail. All right, so there you go. There's the final results. Thanks for watching.